Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing fine. In today's video, we will do a brief discussion about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and most importantly, we will analyze the data of FII and DII's buying and selling. So, FII, foreign institutional investors. Nowadays, everyone is talking about this investors, like foreign investors, who are selling in huge number of money from our Indian markets. So everyone is talking about FIIs. They are selling lakhs together of money, lakhs to crores of money from Indian market. That is why the Indian market is falling. So in this video, we will see how much exactly they are buying, they are selling, and how much exactly our DIIs are buying and selling. DIIs are domestic institutional investors, our Indian investors. So we'll see in detail numbers like who is buying and how much, who is selling how much. So I'll put a data over here in an Excel sheet which will clearly say month on month data of buying and selling of FI and buy DI. So in this section, the left hand side we see FIIs buying and selling both. So everyone talks about selling only, right? Like how much FIIs are selling, but FIIs are only not selling, right? They are buying also. So we have to see the data of both the things. And even for their DIIs, we see they are buying also and as well as they are also selling, right? So we will see their selling value also and what will be the net value of sold or bought in that particular month. So for August month, if you see, FIIs bought around 4,22,000 crores and they sold around 4,43,000 crores. So there was a net value of around 20,000 crores sold by FIIs in Indian market. But at the same time, if you see the buying of DIIs, they also bought around 3,14,800 crores and then they also sold around 2,64,000 crores. But overall net bought value was around 50,000 crores. So 50,000 crores was bought by our Indian investors in Indian markets, whereas the foreign investors sold around 20,000 crores from Indian markets in the month of August. Considering these two, so if you see the net value comes to the buying only. So in August month, there was around net value of 30,000 crores bought in Indian market. Similarly, if you see the data analysis of September month, again, there was a buying of around 43,500 crores. Even in September month, even FIIs were also net buyers and DIIs were also net buyers. Whereas in August, FIIs sold net of around 20,000 crores, whereas DI bought 50,000 crores. But in September month, both are in buying. Whereas when we see in October month, suddenly FIIs sold around 1,14,000 crores from Indian market. But at the same time, Indian investors bought around 1,07,000 crores. But having said that, there was a deficit net selling of around 7,200 crores in October month. So that is why if you see in October month charts, I'll put on monthly time frame. So this big red candle is of October month. You can see the date here. So here at the lowest side you will see the date. So this one big red candle is the entire selling of October month, entire movement of October month. And if you closely observe, this one big candle has eaten the movement of all 3 months movement. See this July, August, September. All 3 months, whatever was bought here or whatever movement happened here, one big red candle has eaten all this movement in one big red candle. So you can see what is the aggressive selling has happened in October month, and we'll see whether this is going to continue or not in November and December. So if we see November, so far only 10 days have passed in November, and already there is a net selling of around 5,800 crores from Indian market. So FIIs again are net sellers, DIs are buying, but there is a deficit of around 5,800 crores in these only 10 days of November month. So we still have 20 days to go. We never know whether the FIIs will turn into net buyers or DIs will buy some more and compensate this deficit or not. So only time will let us know. And that was about the data analysis of FIIs buying and selling. So having said that, let us see what the chart says. So let me put it in a daily time frame. And in daily time frame, if you see, I'll put a support line over here. So if you see, whenever it has come to this level, it has bounced from here. And even again, when it came in the month of November last week, I mean, first week of November, so it has bounced from here. So though it has bounced, now again after that, some other two red candles are formed and it is come again near to this support. So coming weeks, we'll see whether this support will be held or it is going to be broken. Considering the aggressive selling of FIs, this support can be broken easily. And we'll see another analysis in Nifty in weekly time frame. So if you see, Nifty was moving in a trend line, right? So from here, if you draw a trend line, Nifty is moving in this channel. So whenever it comes to this line, it has bounced back. In month of June also, when it came to this line, it bounced back. So again, what can happen? What we can assume is Nifty may come back again here at this line and bounce back. Both the things can happen. Either it can, bounce back from this support itself, like this. Market can bounce back like this itself, or else the market can come down some more here, or then bounce back. So this possibility is also there, and even the market can, start giving correction also. So these three possibilities are very much possible, considering the FIIs buying and selling. So this is about Nifty, and quickly let's see what Bank Nifty is doing. So Bank Nifty also weekly time frame. If you see, there is a trend line which is been happening in Bank Nifty also. So whenever it has come to this level, it has always bounced back. So what we can assume is Bank Nifty also, it can continue to trade like this, and then once it reaches here, it might bounce back. So this is one possibility, but the other possibility what can happen is the Bank Nifty also can give a breakdown from here. It can trade like this and it can give a breakdown and it can move till its next major support. So this is happening in Bank Nifty. Let us see in daily time frame what it is doing. So if I put in daily time frame, Bank Nifty, if you closely see, it is moving around in a small closed channel, tight channel. So let me put another line. So if you see here, this is a resistance. This has become a resistance, and this is a support. So Bank Nifty is trading in this small range. So whenever it has come to upper level, it has taken resistance and came down. And whenever it has come down till this support, it has bounced back. So it is moving around this channel. So how long it will move in this channel, we have to wait and see for that. So every time, now it has taken the resistance and now it is coming down here. So it may take to support and bounce back, or it may break down also from this channel and came back to retest this trend line. So this possibility is there. So we'll see how Bank Nifty or Nifty are going to behave in upcoming weeks. So keep in mind about the FII selling and buying, and Hope everyone you know trades and invests safely. So whenever there is a fall in the market or correction in the market, don't be in a panic, because every fall is an opportunity to buy again. So keep the money cash in hand. When our market starts to bouncing back, you can buy any good stocks, invest in good stocks, which you will be getting in very good level. So this will be a good opportunity when the fall stops and when it starts bouncing back. So that will be a very good opportunity to enter into a market at good levels. So this was about today's video. Hope it's clear to everyone. If there are any doubts or any concerns, you can put in the comment box. I will be happy to address them. Thank you.